Sophia, I don't feel very well today. I think I need some rest.
Mom, what's wrong? You look a little tired.
I feel very weak, and my head hurts a lot.
Mom, you feel very warm. Do you have a fever?
Yes, I think I have a fever. I feel very weak and tired. I'll go to my bedroom and have a rest for a while.
Okay, I'll stay close. I'm here for you.
I feel so weak.
It's okay, Mom. We're almost there. Don't worry. Are you feeling a little better now?
A little, but I still feel very tired. I think I need more rest.
Okay, Mom. Try to sleep for a while. You will feel better.
Yes, I hope so. I'll try to get some sleep.
I'll stay here with you, Mom. Call me if you need anything.
Okay. Thank you, Sophia. I'm glad you are here.
Mom? Can you hear me? You don't look well. You are very quiet. Your hand feels very warm. Mom, please say something. I think I should call Dad. Where is the phone? I need to call Dad quickly. Here it is. I found the phone. I need to call Dad right now. Come on, Dad. Pick up the phone. Why are you not answering?
Excuse me, can you explain this part again? Sure. This shows our growth over the last 3 months. We believe it will grow steadily in the coming months.
Dad, please. Answer the phone. Mom needs help right now. Dad is not answering. Mom is very sick. I can't wait. I need to do something. I will call an ambulance.
Emergency services. How can I help you right now?
Hello, please help. My mom is very sick. She feels very weak.
Okay, stay calm. Tell me what is happening to your mom.
She is lying on the bed. She looks very weak.
Is she awake right now? Can she speak and answer you?
She is sleeping, and she is not waking up when I call her.
All right. Help is on the way. Stay with her.
Okay, please come quickly. I am really worried about my mom.
Are you alone at home right now, or is anyone with you?
I am alone at home right now. My dad is not answering the phone.
That's okay. You did the right thing by calling us.
Thank you so much. I really need your help right now.
Go to your mom and stay next to her. Keep the phone with you.
Okay, I'm going to her now. I will stay by her side.
Good. I will stay on the line with you until the ambulance arrives.
Okay. Thank you so much for helping me. Please come quickly.
The ambulance has arrived at your location. They should be outside now.
Okay, thank you so much. I will go and open the door.
This is the house. The caller is a young girl.
Yes, I see the lights on. Let's move quickly. Let's stay calm and talk to the girl gently.
Are you from the ambulance?
Yes, we are. Did you call us?
Yes, I did. Please come quickly. My mom is inside.
Okay, don't worry. We are here to help.
She is sleeping and she is not waking up when I call her.
We will check her now and take care of her.
Can you please take us to where she is right now?
Yes, please come inside. She is in the bedroom.
Ma'am, can you hear me? Can you open your eyes and respond to me?
Mom, please wake up.
All right. We're going to check her breathing now. She is breathing, but she seems very weak and not fully awake.
Is she going to be okay?
We are checking everything. You did the right thing by calling us.
We're going to give her some oxygen to help her breathe better.
We will take her to the hospital for more checks.
Okay, I will come with you.
Yes, you can come with us. Stay close, and we will take care of her.
All right, we are on the way to the hospital now. Try to stay calm.
Okay, is my mom going to be okay?
We are taking care of her. We are monitoring her condition closely.
We are doing everything we can. The doctors at the hospital will check her further.
Okay, thank you so much for helping us.
You're welcome.
Can I please use your phone to call my dad? I need to tell him we are going to the hospital.
Of course, you can use my phone.
Please, Dad, answer the phone.
Hello? Who is this? I don't recognize this number.
Dad, it's me, Sophia. I'm calling from another phone.
Sophia? Why are you calling from a different number? What happened?
Dad, Mom is sick. She is not waking up. We are in the ambulance now, going to the hospital.
What? Is Mom with you right now? Are you okay?
Yes, Mom is with me in the ambulance. I'm okay, but I'm really worried about her. Dad, I called you many times before. Why didn't you pick up the phone?
I'm really sorry, Sophia. I was in a meeting and couldn't answer my phone.
I was really scared. I didn't know what to do.
I understand. You did the right thing by calling the ambulance. I'm proud of you.
Okay, Dad. I will stay with Mom. Please come as soon as you can.
I'm leaving now. Don't worry. Stay with Mom.
Okay. Please hurry. We really need you here.
Hello. What do we have here? Please give me a quick update. Female patient, not responding. She was found at home.
She has been like this for some time. We brought her in for further checks.
Ma'am, can you hear me? Can you open your eyes?
Is my mom going to be okay? I'm really worried about her.
We are doing everything we can. We will take good care of her.
Your mom is in good hands now.
Can I stay with her?
Please wait outside for a few minutes while we check your mom. We will come and update you very soon.
I will stay with you outside. Don't worry.
Okay. I feel really scared. I'm worried about my mom.
That's okay. It's normal to feel this way. You are very brave and strong.
My dad is coming to the hospital. He is on the way now.
That's good. He will be here soon. You won't be alone.
I need to get to the hospital quickly. Sophia must be very scared right now. Sophia, are you okay? Are you all right?
I'm okay, but Mom is inside the room. The doctors are checking her.
I'm so sorry, Sophia. I didn't answer your calls. I was in a meeting and couldn't answer the phone.
I called you many times. I was really scared.
I know I'm really sorry. You must have been very scared, but you did a great job. You called the ambulance and took care of Mom. I'm very proud of you. I have good news for both of you. She is awake now and responding well.
Really? Is she okay now? I was so worried about her.
Yes, she is doing much better. There is no need to worry right now. Thank you, doctor. That is a big relief for us.
Can we see her now?
Yes, you can. She will be happy to see both of you. Thank you so much for taking care of her.
Mom, you're awake. I was so scared. I kept calling you, but you didn't wake up.
I'm sorry, dear. I felt unwell and didn't know what was happening.
How are you feeling now? Are you feeling better?
I'm feeling a little better now, but I still need some rest.
We are all together now. Everything is going to be okay. Today, Sophia showed great courage. She stayed calm, called for help, and took care of her mom. I am very proud of her. In situations like this, stay calm and act quickly. If someone is not feeling well, call for help and stay with them. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and share your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe to English Story Cottage for more simple and helpful English stories. Thank you for watching. See you in the next story. Take care.